the government has zeroed in on two candidates to manage the 40,000 crore rupee National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, which is an investment vehicle for funding projects. ET Now's Chief Editor News, Supriya Srinath, joins us with some exclusive details all the way from New Delhi. Supriya, all yours.
Indeed, like you rightly pointed out, it is a very sought-after position as far as NIFCO's role is concerned. We given to understand that the Finance Ministry has shortlisted two candidates and recommended those names both to the ACC and the Union Cabinet, because the final decision will have to be taken by the Union Cabinet. It's Louis Miranda and Sujoy Bose. Now, Louis Miranda is someone who founded and was the CEO and president of IDFC Alternatives, which was the PE and the VC arm. He presently is a senior advisor to Morgan Stanley Investment Management, so has a lot of expertise in that space. The second name, Sujoy Bose, still presently serves at IFC, that's the private arm of the World Bank. He is the global co-head of infrastructure and natural resources there. He's got about 20 years of experience, understands this space and how India works very closely, because he's been responsible for emerging markets private equity, also has a lot of experience in debt management. Why is this important? Because NIIF is going to be the investment vehicle for new, old and stalled infrastructure projects. And the NIIF CEO is not just going to be the dummy head there. He's going to be somebody who will identify investment opportunities. He will raise funds. He will invest in those projects and then manage those assets and also decide when do you exit them. So this is a very important position. I think the one point of comfort that a lot of investors, potential, both global and local, will derive from this is that this position will perhaps be headed by a man who has private sector experience, who is going to manage their money professionally. This isn't a Babudam position that has really been created. So the toss-up is going to be between Louis Miranda on one hand and Sujoy Bose of IFC on the other, and it is going to be the Union Cabinet's call. But remember, when the decision does happen, you heard this first right here on ET Now.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.